Ay ma, si kakak pati si Juliet Baran, break na yan. Nakita ko sa Facebook. Si Hungang ka daw. LP lang kami. Ano? Break na kamo ni kakak. Kung na ako baga sabi mo, true love yan. Pinamidbid mo pa pati sa ako. Tanong-tanong ako yung mga kapatalan na yan ha. Ako ha, kamang daw ha. Magdungog ka mo. Ang pag-aasawa, masiram na masakit. Every day is a hard work. Every day you have to forgive. Kaya piliin nyo yung worth it. Ganito, tandaan ninyo ha. In life, when you face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you. They are sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. Nasabutan yung mga bulay nina nyo. Strength doesn't come from winning. Your struggles develop your strength. Isa. When you go throughout hardships and decide not to surrender, that's strength. Been there, done that. Kamong daw ha. Maski ano pa ang mag-abot na problema sa buhay ninyo sa maabot na panahon, you must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is, no matter how hard it gets, I am going to make it. Isa, nasabutan nyo. Tagay pa. Dili, yan tigbak kong tigbak.